Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little while since I've done like a collection walkthrough for Brutus Monroe, but July's new products are so good that I just have to show you some of them. So I cherry picked from the new collection the things that I thought I would get the most use out of, the things that I really loved, and so I thought I'd show some of these goodies to you. So first of all, foam tape, complete necessary thing. This is 3 inches high, and it's, or 3/8, it's 3/8 of an inch thick. And it's like a 1/2 inch wide. So this is not for shakers. This is just to hold your stuff. And it's not a very large roll, but we'll see. We'll see how it works and if I like it. Next thing here, this is the incentive stamp for July, which means if you spend $60 or more, this stamp comes free in your order. I got the embossing powder of the month, which is called Cotton Candy. Look at that. So pretty. So I keep little clear jars in my scrapbook room to put embossing powder when it comes like this into the jar. So it's the same amount. You get the same amount either way. I prefer it in a jar, but it's fine either way. Can I just say though, that this is like the perfect pink color, and I can't wait to see what it's like. This is the Stamp Club of the month. If you're unfamiliar with Brutus Monroe's subscriptions, they have quite a few. The Stamp Club of the month is $5. If you're shipping it into the US, it's always $5. This one has a little dandelion, and then the little piece that kind of like goes away in the wind. Super cute. The next one, hold on, let me flip here. This is the one we're gonna do next. This is the Stamp Club Premium. So this is another subscription product. I cannot wait to no line watercolor these flowers. I think they're gorgeous. You could also like do like clear embossing powder and then watercolor them. That would be cute too. So really cute. And I love the thank you and all the different sentiments. Really love that. The new release is all about amusement parks. And I am, you know, a lover of amusement parks. So I think I bought like, I got a lot. This was called Party Animal. I got this stamp set for the little balloon animals, not so much for the sentiments. I don't really think that I will use the sentiments. I think what I'm going to do with them is stamp them or heat emboss them on maybe pattern paper and cut them out and use them as embellishments on layouts, I think, because they're really cute. Theodore is my friend. If you've ever watched my live on Monday nights, at least every so often I use the Theodore stamp. And I've also, my Pear Blossom Press videos are quite often Theodore stamps. So this one is called Theodore's Carnival Ride. I love this one with the carousel horse. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I love this one too with roller coaster, but that carousel horse, that was what tipped me over the edge. The next one is a 6x8 stamp set. This one's called Sparkle and Celebrate. Now, let's look at this. Where are my scrapbookers? These long stamps, right? And are one piece. So there's 3 of them. And then these 3 firework stamps are or the 6 firework stamps are individual, but I'm pulling these out because I think this is so cool. Okay, so each stamp, I'm going to measure this out for you, is almost 7 inches long, which means, and they fit together. so they will line up. So 2 of them, and it could be any 2 you want. They will line up on those lines, and you can have them go across the bottom of a scrapbook page. And if you are someone who likes to do lots and lots and lots of photos on your scrapbook pages, you could just stamp these long strips in black across the bottom of your stamp set, across the bottom of your scrapbook page. Then put all your photos where you want them. And then once you have your photos in place and everything, you could take these little 6 fireworks and kind of put them wherever you want. So love this stamp set. For scrapbookers, this is a really, really good one. Think about Disney. You could do Disney layouts with this. You could do, I mean, anything, any amusement park that you go and frequent or visit. This would be a really, really great stamp set for those projects. I don't think, do I have any more stamps? 2 more stamps. Okay, let's get the stamps first. Next, starting last month in June and going through the end of, going through to December, Brutus Monroe will be releasing a new alphabet font every month. So cool. So last month there was Theodore's Type, which I've used a couple times and it's super cute. I really, really love it. This one is called Joey's Type, and it's a really good alphabet. I love these alphabets so far. I think that they're just awesome. I'm super excited to have some new fonts and new alphabets in my stash. The last stamp that I got from the new release is called Grand Finale, and it's just this cool background stamp. And you know, I am a sucker for circles, so this one was like a must buy. Look how cool that looks. Oh, so awesome. I think it's so cute. And I think it would be so super cute to go with like little Theodore. So say this is a background. Let me put little on a card, and let me put little Theodore down here and something. Maybe one of those thank you sentiments from the Stamp Club Premium. Cute, cute, cute. Let me get this back in here. And then we'll go on to the stencils. So this is the stencil of the month, which I'll be using on the live at some point. July, beginning of August, somewhere in there. Really just versatile, easy little burst. And then I got 3 of the layering stencils for the Magnificent Midway release. That's what this whole, all the amusement park type stamps are. The whole release is called Magnificent Midway. So these are the bumper cards. These are layering dice. You can see there's different layers. You get different options for coloring and different things. And these are bumper cards. So cute. Again, I think this would be really cute, stenciled like down in a corner of a scrapbook page. Then we have this one, which is called Fresh Popcorn, and it makes a box of popcorn. Again, like I want to layer it all up, fussy cut it out, and put it on a scrapbook page. These are such good, like cool sizes, right? And just perfect for scrapbook pages. Cards too, but you know, I'm a scrapbook centric person, so when I'm looking and when I'm picking and buying my products, I am a little bit less towards the cards and more towards, can I use this both places, right? Can I use it on a scrapbook page and can I use it on a layout? I like to get the most bang from my products. This one is corn dogs. Now my family is obsessed with corn dogs. Maybe if your family is not obsessed with corn dogs, my family obsessed. So we have the little stick, the like ketchup, and then the corn dog. Again, stencil this all together, layer it all up onto a piece of white cardstock, fussy cut it out, super easy to do. You could add like some dimension or something on the squiggles, and I think it would be adorable. For 6x6 papers, this is the 6x6 paper pad of the month, which I was subscribed to for ages and ages and ages and ages. I would still be subscribed to it, but I actually get it as part of my design team products. And this is called Cotton Candy. Look at this. Look, 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 look. There's the papers. Look how pretty. Super cute. Like it's like watercolory and those gorgeous like pastel colors. I love it. And then the second 6x6 paper pad that I got is called Festival Skies. And here are the papers. Again, these are speaking to me. I really like these for cards as well, or even cut into shapes and put on a scrapbook page. But these really are just, that side of the paper is just gorgeous. So those are the products that I chose and or that I will be using this month for Brutus Monroe's Make It Monday, which I figured out the tech to be able to stream that live both on Brutus Monroe's channel and my own. Yay! So I hope you just, if something caught your eye, by all means, head down to the description box. You can find a link for the shop, just for the shop with a discount code. And then I will also link up some the individual products. So if you're just looking for one, you'll have those. If you want the whole shop, I'll link that discount code as well. All right, everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.